Today I am going to start problems on linear higher order differential equations with constant coefficients, in which the problem is solve d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus y equals to x e power x sin x. This is most important question for external exam. Okay, so that before going to start solution, first we have to write standard form of the equation, and then we have to compare given equation with the standard form of the higher order differential equation, and then we can find yc yp. By combining both, that result gives us solution of given differential equation. So that first standard form is nothing but we have to write derivative symbols. Here there are two derivatives. First order derivative is d by dx represented by the symbol capital letter D. D square by dx square represented by capital letter D square. According to this, now the given equation can be written as d square y minus 2dy plus y equals to x e power x sin x. After that, here y is a variable which is common. So d square minus 2d plus y plus 1 half y as common from all, x e power x sin x. Now this is exactly similar to standard form of f of d of y equals to q of x. By comparing both the forms, q of x equals to x e power x sin x. Here it is on right hand side, here also q of x. Left, on left hand side y coefficient is f of d, its equivalent value is here d square minus 2d plus 1. So that f of d equals to d square minus 2d plus 1. After that, first we need complementary function. To get complementary function, consider auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation represented by f of m equal to 0. Now f of d, f of m similar to each other, put d equals to m. So that m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. Now this is similar to a minus b whole square form. A square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 0. Now here m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. M equals to 1 comma 1. Here there is only one root but repeated twice. So that according to the procedure, complementary function yc equal to now c1 plus xc2 e to the power of x. First solution over. Second one, we need particular integral. Particular integral represented by yp. Yp equals to 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d is corresponding value f of d, d square minus 2d plus 1. Q of x is x e power x sin x. Now present one is similar to 1 by f of d into q of x form. But q of x is, we can write this one as x into v model or e power x into v model. There are two possibilities are here. So that with here the present q of x also can be written as d minus d square minus 2d plus 1. Now the product of three functions can be written as e power x into sin x. Now this is similar to 1 by f of d into e power ax into v type. For this, e power ax left side, at the same time 1 by f of d plus a into v. This is the rule of type 4. According to this, here also e power ax into, this is considered as v, e power ax into v. So e power x left of this operator. One more step, 1 by Here also it is written as, actually this is the same one can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that instead of that, d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into d plus 1. Every d replaced by d plus a. Here a is 1. So that d plus a plus 1. Once again, here a is, x coefficient is a. So d plus a. D replaced by d plus a. Here also a is 1. So that here every d replaced by d plus a is 1 into e power x already over x into sin x. b. After that, e power x simplification, 1 by a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2d plus minus 2 plus 1, function x into sin x. Here these two get cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 also get cancelled. E power x into only one operator, d square of x into sin x. Now this is 1 by d is the symbol for, this is the operator of integration with respect to x. Integration of 1 with respect to x. So that e power x into 1 by d square can be written as 1 by d of x sin x. Now e power x into 1 by d of integral of x sin x. Integral of x sin x can be written as u into v formula. Integration of x sin x into dx. U into v. U into v formula, e power x 1 by d into, here it is u integration of uv formula, u v dash u v1 u dash v2 u double dash v3 and so on, minus and so on, alternate signs. According to this, here u is x, v1 is nothing but integration of v1 is nothing but integration of v into dx. v2 is integration of v1 with respect to x, and then u dash is d by dx of u. U double dash is d by dx of u dash. This is u by v formula related. Here, now u into v1, integration of sin x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Minus u dash, differentiation of x is 1. v2 is integration of v1. Again minus cos x integration is minus sin x. Here again differentiation of 1 is 0. So integration over. So e power x into one by d into 1 by d into x cos x minus, here minus of x cos x plus sin x. Again 1 by d is there. So that 1 by d, apply 1 by d to each and every term. E power x minus 1 by d of first term plus 1 by d of second term. E power x into minus of, again this is u into v formula. Just now I explained u into v. Again I will give same formula. uv formula u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus and so on. U dash is nothing but differentiation of u. U double dash is nothing but differentiation of u dash. Similarly, v1 is integration of v. v2 is integration of v1. Likewise, here also u into v1. u is x. v1 cos integration is sin x. u v1 minus alternate sign should be there. U dash differentiation of x is 1. v2 v1 integration is v2, so sin x integration is minus cos x. What is the sign? Plus differentiation of u dash is 0. One differentiation is 0, so no further step. Plus 1 by d again is there. 1 by d is a symbol for integral. Integral sign is sin x is minus cos x. So here there is no any derivative. Integration over e power x, just ordinary multiplication, minus x sin x. Here minus into minus into minus, minus cos x minus cos x. After that e power x minus x sin x minus 2 cos x. This is the value of yp. After that, complete solution or general solution. Y equal to yc plus yp. Y equal to yc c1 plus xc2 into e power x. yp is e power x into here minus x sin x minus 2 cos x. That's it. The next one is general case. This is most important case. When q of x is any function, I mean other than e power ax, polynomial in x power k, sin ax, cos ax, e power ax into v, x into v. Other than this, there is a one function. For that function, the yp is obtained by taking 1 by d minus a q of x equals to e power ax into integral q of x e to the power of minus ax into dx. Okay, this is called a special case. Note point: when q of x is a function of x other than these forms, apply general case. For general case, the first step is resolve 1 by f of d into product of the factors using partial factors. After getting partial factors like this, we have to define result using this integral formula. Instead of 1 by d, here 1 by d minus a of q of x. Its value is e to the power of ax integral q of x e to the power of minus ax into dx. This is the formula for getting yp if the q of x is other than these only. Okay, in this case, this is the given question. Here cosecant of ax is there in place of q of x, so that no type, in our type just e power ax, x power k, sin ax, cos ax, e power ax into v, x into v model only is there. But here cosecant of x is other than these functions, so in this case we have to use general case only to get yp. First of all, we have to define yc similar to previous. Before going to that standard form, we need the given equation. Standard form is d square y plus y cosecant of x, y as common, d square plus 1 of y equal to cosecant of x. It is f of d of y equal to q of x. Here f of d equals to d square plus 1. Cosecant of x is q of x. q of x, f of d, okay. First of all, we need complementary function. Complementary function yc is obtained by taking auxiliary equation represented by f of m equal to 0. Here f of m is nothing but m square plus 1 equal to 0. M square equals to minus 1 also written as I square. M equal to plus or minus I. Conjugate complex numbers here. Two roots are here, plus I minus I. Both are complex numbers. So that first we have to write yc. Real part. Here real part is 0. Real part related corresponding answer is 0x. E power 0x. And then imaginary part. Here imaginary part is 1. Corresponding solution is C1 sin x. 1 into x. C2 into cos x. Simply it is written as yc equal to e power 0x is 1. C1 sin x plus C2 cos x. This is the value of yc. Next we need yp. Yp is also called as particular integral. Particular integral represented by yp. Here yp standard formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. Yp equals to 1 by d square plus 1. Q of x is cosecant of x. In place of q of x, there is a cosecant of x. There is no working rule for cosecant of x, but as per general solution, you can write its value. What is the main point of general case? Find partial fractions of this one only. Product of the factors we need first. D square plus 1. Here d square plus 1 can be written as factors. What are the roots are here? M equal to I, M equal to minus I. So that here it is d plus I into d minus I. Product of the factors. Okay. One more step. D square plus 1 can be written as d square minus of minus 1. Then d square minus I square. This is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Otherwise, from the roots also you can write d plus 1, d minus 1 are the factors. Product of the factors. So that d plus I into d minus I into cosecant of x. After that, partial fractions of this one we required. Partial fractions of this is can be obtained by taking a shortcut rule 1 by here higher factor minus lower factor. Which one is higher factor out of two? This is. So that shortcut rule d plus I minus d minus I bracket again. Next within bracket 1 by lesser factor minus higher factor. Lesser is d minus I minus 1 by highest factor is d plus I. Okay. If two factors are first degree, in denominator there is a constant. In this case, this is a shortcut rule for finding partial fractions. What is the procedure? Out of two factors, greater factor minus smaller factor overall. Here 1 by smaller factor related fraction minus greater factor related fraction. That is equal to, by simplifying this, d plus I minus d minus I. After that, here outside is cosecant of x. Here 1 by d minus I, 1 by d plus I, cosecant of x. Here these two get cancelled. 1 by 2i, 1 by d minus I, cosecant of x, 1 by d plus I, cosecant of x. Now this is the value of yp. Yp here yp equal to 1 by 2a 2i. Now this is general case form is there, 1 by d minus a q of x, general case. General case form is 1 by d minus a q of x. Its value is e power ax integral of q of x e power minus ax dx. Likewise here also d minus a q of x. So that here there is some calculation part, so give the name to each and every term as yp1 first term minus this is yp2. Equation number 1. Take out each and every one and find out its value as per this formula and then substitute results in this equation 1. You will get yp value. So that first consider yp1. Its equivalent value is 1 by d minus I cosecant of x. This is exactly similar to this one, 1 by d minus a. In place of a is I. Opposite side also have to write e to the power of ax ix integration of q of x is cosecant of x e power minus ix into dx. That is equal to e power ix integration of cosecant x. To integrate this, expand this one. Original form is e power I theta, can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. This is also one more thing, e power minus I theta also can be written as cos theta minus I sin theta. As per this minus I theta form, e power minus I theta. So it is written as cos theta in place of theta x minus I sin theta, theta is x, into dx. Now this is a purely integral problem. Enter cosecant x into the bracket. Here e power ix integration of cosecant of x cos x minus I cosecant of x sin x into dx. E power ix integration of cosecant standard form also written as 1 by cosecant is nothing but cos. Here it is cos sin. Cosecant x is nothing but 1 by sin x into cos x minus psi. Here also sin 1 by sin x into sin x. Simplification. Here it is e power ix integration of cos by sin. Into is there. Cos by sin is cot x minus I sin get cancelled into dx. Now here under integration there are two terms. Apply integration to each and every term. Integration of cot x dx, integration of I into dx. Here it is integration of ix. Integration of cot x is a standard formula. Its value can be taken as integral of cot theta as per that log of sin x. Minus I is a purely constant outside 1 into dx. Here it is e power ix log of sin x minus I into integration of 1 is x. Now this is the value of yp1 only. As per this, yp2 corresponding value is 1 by d plus I cosecant of x. Here yp1 yp2 same, but instead of minus I there is a plus I. Directly we can write put I equals to minus I, that's it. I equals to minus I in yp1. Automatically you will get directly its result. So put I equals to minus I in yp1 above result, so that yp2 equal to 1 e to the power of minus I into x, in place of I minus I, log of sin x minus, in place of I minus I into x. That's it, no need to calculate anything. yp2 equals to e power minus ix log of sin x minus to minus plus ix. This is the value of yp2. So that totally yp1, yp actually we need, yp value is 1 by 2i into, here yp1 minus yp2. This is equation number 1. Previous we have written here yp1 yp equal to, as per this, here also 1 by 2i, yp1 equals to, yp1 is a result before e to the power of ix log of sin x minus ix minus yp2 e power minus ix log of sin x plus ix. This is the value of yp. Simplification. Here from these two, e power ix into first term minus ix into e power ix, e power minus ix into first term, here before negative sign, minus ix into e power minus ix. Now from these two, common number 1 by 2i log of sin x as common, e to the power of ix minus e to the power of minus ix. From these two, minus ix as common, e power ix plus e power minus ix, 1 by 2i into log of sin x e power I theta minus e power minus I theta can be written as e power I theta, e power minus I theta can be written as I into 2i sin theta. Here this is written as 2i sin x minus ix into 2 cos x. As per this, e power I theta e power minus I theta equal to 2 cos theta, e power I theta minus e power minus I theta 2i sin theta. As per this, here I have written corresponding formulas. Now enter 2i into the bracket, log of sin x, 2a cancel into sin x, 1 by 2a into second term, here also 2a get cancelled, x cos x is there. This is the value of yp. After that, we need complete solution of the given equation. Now complete solution. Y equal to yc plus yp. Y equals to yc is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Yp is log of sin x into sin x minus x cos x. That's it. Second question. Solve d square y by dx square plus a square y equal to secant ax. Now this is second order differential equation, so that on right hand side there is a function, it has two solutions yc yp. First write standard form, by writing symbols for derivatives. The first one is d square y plus a square y equal to secant ax. From this y as common, d square plus a square of y. This is similar to f of d of y equal to q of x. F of d equal to d square plus a square. Q of x equal to secant ax. So that first yc. For yc, you have to consider auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. Now m square plus a square equal to 0. M square minus a square. M square minus in terms of square form. A square. M equal to plus or minus ai. Here there is a I, this is complex number. Two complex numbers, plus ai minus ai. Real part is 0. For this yc. For real part e power 0x. Imaginary part is a plus or minus ai. Imaginary part is a. For this corresponding solution is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax. This is the value of yc. After that yp. Yp formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. F of d is here in the present problem. D square plus a square q of x is secant ax. Now here in place of q of x secant ax, no procedure, no working procedure for this type of one. So in this case we have to use general case. For general case the procedure is first 1 by f of d written as product of the factors. Product of the factors d square plus a square. Factors we need. From the roots also you can write d plus ai, d minus ai. Another way also is here. It is written as d square minus of a square. D square minus I square a square. Also written as d square minus a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. From this one also you can write m is nothing but d. So d plus ai, d minus ai. Okay. As per procedure, as per general case procedure, first write the factors of denominator. 1 by factors, product of the factors are d plus ai, d minus ai. Function is secant ax. After that, partial fractions of this one only. Partial fractions of this part. Shortcut rule similar to previous. Out of two factors, which is first 1 by greater factor minus smaller factor. Greater factor minus smaller factor. After that into next fraction. Here smaller fraction related, smaller factor 1 by d minus ai minus 1 by greater factor. Once again, outside of the bracket, greater 1 by greater minus smaller, within box 1 by smaller factor minus greater factor. Greater minus smaller, smaller minus greater. For this type of fraction only this is applicable. If there is a constant in numerator, first degree factors are in denominator, then equal degree factors are there. In this case, this is the shortcut, secant ax. After that, simplification. 1 by d plus ai minus d plus ai. 1 by d minus ai, 1 by d plus ai, secant ax. Here these two get cancelled. 1 by 2ai Enter secant ax into the bracket. Minus d plus ai secant ax. This is the value of yp. Yp equal to 1 by 2 ai. Here this is similar to general case form. So name of this one can be taken as yp1. Between sign is minus yp2. This is equation number 1. Take out separately yp1 value and find out its value. Similarly take out yp2. Find the result of this one as per general case. So that first yp1. One by d minus ai into secant ax. This is similar to d minus a into q of x form. As per this rule is e power ax into integral of e power ax q of x into dx. This is the formula for general case 1 by d minus a form. Here in place of ai is there. As per this, e to the power of ax, ai into x, e to the power of minus aix, q of x is secant of ax into dx. Okay, e to the power of aix, integration of first I at one place minus I, remaining part ax, secant ax dx. Now this is similar to e power minus I theta, also written as cos theta minus I sin theta. To integrate this type of function, we have to write expansion of this one. E power aix cos x, cos theta, in place of theta ax, minus I sin theta, theta is here ax. Outside of the bracket, secant can be written as 1 by cos ax into dx. Now ordinary simplification. Cos ax by cos ax product minus I sin ax by cos ax into dx. Here e to the power of aix, this is 1 minus I into tan ax. Now this is a purely integrable function. Okay, by expanding this we can write integrable function easier. Now there are two terms between, sign is minus. So integration of first term 1 into dx minus I is outside, integration of second term into dx. Now e to the power of aix, integration of 1 with respect to x is x minus I into tan ax, integration is log of secant ax by a whole divided by a. This is the value of yp1. Here yp1. After that yp2. Yp2 is 1 by d plus ai secant ax. Now you observe here yp1, yp2 same to each other, but in place of I only, here minus I, here plus I. So that put I equals to minus I in the above result without calculation. Just here minus ai, here plus ai. So that just instead of ai write minus ai only. Sign only different, everything is same, just instead of minus plus is there. Here also instead of plus minus. So that put ai equals to minus ai in yp1. In yp1 instead of ai minus ai. Why? Because here look at here, the present one can be written as d square only d minus of minus ai secant of ax. Now here these two are same, D is there, here also D, minus is there, but instead of AI, minus AI, so that in place of AI, minus AI is suitable. Okay, now yp2 equals to 1 by, result actually we need e to the power of minus aix x minus, here also I equals to, here instead of ai minus ai also can write I equal to minus I also enough, I equal to minus I, here also minus I x minus, in place of I minus I log of secant ax by a, simplification yp2 minus aix, here x plus I log of secant ax by a, this is the result of yp2. Okay, for second one just you have to put I equal to minus I. Now yp1 equal to 1 by 2 ai yp1 minus yp2, this is equation number 1. So yp1 equal to 1 by 2 ai, yp1 is e power aix x minus I log of secant ax by a minus yp2 is e power minus aix x minus x plus I log of secant ax by a. Just ordinary simplification is here, so that here yp1 yp equals to simplification. Simplification is 1 by 2 ai x e power aix minus e power aix I into log of secant ax by a, as per this. Now as per this, next one is minus e power x into e power minus aix, here minus to plus minus e power minus aix I log of secant ax by a. After that 1 by 2 ai, here these two are same, so from these two x has common, e power iax minus e power minus iax. From the remaining two minus has common, I log of secant ax by a has common. In the first term value is e power iax plus in the second term e power minus aix. Minus already common here. Okay, after that 1 by 2 ai x into, this is e power I theta form. E power I theta minus e power minus I theta is sin 2i sin theta. Theta is here ax minus I log secant of ax by a, e power I theta plus e power minus theta 2 cos theta. Cos theta is ax. Now can enter 2ai into the bracket. 2i cancel. X into sin ax by a. Here also 2i cancel. Log of secant ax cos ax by, here a is there, so a square. Result is here a square. This is the value of yp. Now complete solution or general solution. y equal to yc plus yp. Y equals to yc we cleared in previous. Here it is c1 cos ax plus c2 sin ax plus yp x sin of ax by a, here it is yp, minus log of secant of ax cos ax by a square. This is complete solution. Similarly, this is most important question in general case. The question is here, d square solve d square plus a square of y equal to tan of ax. This is also 100% similar to previous. Every step similar to previous. Already problem is in the standard form. Directly you can write f of d is d square plus a square. Q of x is tan ax. After that yc. To get yc, auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. Corresponding is m square plus a square equal to 0. In previous question also same step repeated here. So m square plus equal to minus a square, also written as m square I square a square, m equal to plus or minus ai. Here also same complex numbers, plus ai minus ai, real part is 0. Yc for real part corresponding is e to the power of 0x, c1 cos, imaginary part I coefficient, cos ax, c2 sin, imaginary part a into x, yc over. Similarly, yp formula is 1 by f of d q of x. 1 by f of d is d square plus a square. Q of x is tan ax. Now this is also other than standard functions, so that this is general case related. As per procedure, write product of the factors. Factors from the roots also can write factors. D plus ai, d minus ai. D plus ai, d minus ai, tan ax. After that, as per procedure, write partial fractions. Now similar to previous shortcut rule for partial fractions, 1 by greater minus smaller. Greater factor is d plus ai minus smaller factor is d before minus plus ai. Within bracket 1 by reciprocals. Smaller fraction related reciprocal minus greater factor. Here it is tan ax. After that, these two get cancelled. 1 by 2ai. Here 1 by d minus ai tan ax, 1 by d plus ai tan ax. This is yp. After that, here also there is some calculation part. Yp can be written as 2ai yp1 plus minus yp2. Equation 1. In which first yp1 1 by d minus ai into tan ax. This is also exactly similar to d minus a q of x form. For this e power ax, integration of e power minus ax q of x dx. This is the formula for 1 by d minus a model. Here also e power ax, this is a plus ax. Integration of e power minus ax q of x into dx e to the power of aix integration of. To integrate this, no formula, I is there, complex part, so it is written as e power minus I ax. Now this is e power minus I theta form. E power minus I theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta. By writing this in place of e power minus I theta, then we will get standard formulas of integral. E power aix, here only, e power minus I theta, theta is ax, cos theta is here ax, plus I sin ax into tan ax into dx to the power of iax. Enter tan ax into the bracket, cos ax tan ax I sin ax tan ax. And also tan can be written as sin by cos. As per this, still there is no formula, so that expansion of this one, cos ax sin ax by cos ax plus I of sin ax by cos ax whole bracket of ax. Here it is e power ax. Here these two get cancelled, cos sin ax plus here I into sin ax whole square or sin square ax cos ax into dx. Here under integration there are two terms with the plus, so apply integration to each and every term. E power ax integration of first term into dx, integration of second term e to the power of ax. Integration of sin ax is a directly standard formula, so that minus cos ax by a I into, but here there is no formula, so I have to write sin square ax equal to sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. As per this, 1 minus cos square theta, theta is ax, by cos ax into dx e to the power of ax minus cos ax by a plus I into integration of 1 by first term by LCM, second term by LCM, then you will get standard forms. First term by LCM minus second term by LCM, cos it cancel, only one cos function is there overall dx. After that, e to the power of ax cos ax by a I into integration of 1 by cos is nothing but secant of ax, here dx minus I into integration of cos ax into dx. Integration applied to each and every term. Aix minus cos ax by a plus I. This is standard integral formula. Integral secant ax is log of secant ax plus tan ax by a minus I. Cos ax integration is sin ax by a. This is the value of yp1. yp1. Next yp2. 1 by d plus ai tan ax Here 1 by d minus, for minus there is a rule, so that plus can be written as minus of minus ai tan ax. Now here to write yp2 answer, already we cleared yp1, both are same factors, but between sign also same, but instead of I, minus I is there, that is only difference. So that to write answer directly, put I equals to minus I in yp1 result, so that yp2 equals to, here yp1, this is yp1, in place of I only just write minus I, e power minus aix minus cos ax by a minus I log of secant ax plus tan ax by a plus I sin ax by a. Okay, after that yp2 also clear. You can write cos ax minus sin ax cos theta plus I sin theta, enough. yp1 gives us equation number 1. yp actually, yp equal to 1 by 2ai yp1 minus yp2. Just write two results. Here complete, so 1 by 2ai above results. yp1 is e power ax cos ax e power aix minus cos ax by a plus I log of secant ax plus tan ax by a minus I sin of ax by a. This is yp1 minus yp2 to the power of minus aix minus cos ax by a minus I log of secant ax plus tan ax by a plus I sin of ax by a. Simplification also possible by opening the bracket, these two are 2 into something. From this also you can write, otherwise leave it. Therefore complete solution. Y equal to yc plus yp. Right, just two results are here, yc plus yp. That's it.